Now this is what comfort food looks like. A flavor-packed beefy bean bowl served with vegetable, fried rice, and sauteed cabbage. Simple, hearty, and oh, so satisfying. Rich, saucy, bold, and filling. Whenever you're meal prepping or feeding a hungry crew, this bowl right here will not disappoint. So let's make it. In a large pot over medium heat, heat some cooking oil. Then toss in your diced onions and red capsicum. Cook them down until they are soft and fragrant. Next up, minced garlic. Stir it in and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. The kitchen is already smelling amazing. Time to layer those flavors. Add some tomato paste and your blended fresh tomatoes. Stir and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens just a little. Now for the real flavor bomb: oregano, paprika, curry powder, garlic powder, onion powder, a little sugar, salt and black pepper. Stir it all in and let that goodness simmer for about 5 minutes. In goes the minced beef. Break it apart and cook until no longer pink. All those spices will hug every single bite. Time to add the pre-cooked beans. Then pour in your water or beef stock gradually. Start with about 1.5 cups. This helps control how thick or saucy you want it. You can add more if you desire. Cover it up and let it simmer on low for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every now and then. You want that sauce rich and thick and the flavors fully blended. Taste and adjust your seasoning. You can garnish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lime if you desire, whatever your vibe is. Then serve it hot with your favorite side, whether it is rice, chapati, mashed potatoes, or just straight from the bowl. As for me, I served it with some vegetable fried rice. You will find the full written recipe linked below in the description box. And if you loved how this came together, the video for the easy veggie fried rice I paired it with, it's also linked below, so don't miss it. I've got plenty more quick and flavorful meals right here on the channel, so go ahead, like the video, share it with a friend, drop a comment, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more deliciousness every single week.